This is Jason in Jason's Jungle. Have you had a bumper crop of currants? Your gooseberry bushes overflowing with fruit? Then you may need to get Jason's Jungle patent gooseberry currant top and tailing tool. This top and tailing tool is a specialist tool designed specifically for top and tailing your currants. It has beautifully curved edges that caress the outer skin of the fruit so you don't damage the skin. It is wonderfully spring loaded so you can operate it one hand whilst sorting through your currants with your other hand, so that makes it very easy to go through top and tail the fruit. And even the deluxe model, which comes with a slug collection attachment. So yeah, what? Yeah, okay, right, yeah, they're nail clippers. But they're cheap, they're available everywhere, and they do work very quickly in topping and tailing your currants. I've just went through the gooseberries and stuff, as you've seen from the things, and it was far quicker than to do this purely manually. I mean, you just sit there, pinch off, you pinch off. This was far quicker. So, little tip, get yourself some nail clippers.